おはようございます。私たちはね、今サンホアキンという町に来ています。ここはね、標高2400メートルかな。なんかね、酸素がちょっと薄い気がする。でもね、空が近い。太陽も近い。今日はね、友達のフリオとサライがいろんなとこ連れてってくれます。サライフリオなんかね、めっちゃ味がついてて美味しい。チーズが美味しいな。美味しすぎたのでもう一つ頼みました。おかわり。
The one with the beef stack? So flavorful. Like, you can taste the oils, very oily, but it tastes great. Okay, we just had Gorditas breakfast. It was great. Now we're gonna do some vegetable shopping. Iko.
This is a green tomato to make salsa verde. I guess this is a corn. I don't know. Looks like it's corn. Serrano, jalapeno, poblano, manzano, habanero.
Mexicano pumpkin.
Yeah.
¿Cómo vale rice?
A 60.
This is chili guau. This is called chili guau.
Okay.
It's very unique. For a moment it was almost extinct. Maybe just half of it.
Wow.
I don't know what this is. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
Very strange, no? Chili guau.
Chili guau.
Oh my god, my tongue is paralyzing. Never tasted like this flavor before. Ah, my
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh man, my tongue is asleep now.
So that chiricao is like, reminds me of this Chinese spice that I forget what it's called, but it makes your whole mouth go tingly and numb. It's really powerful. It's like bitter and pungent and spicy, and my whole throat is going numb right now, so we gotta get some juice. I think I need some water.
Yeah, me too. Let's grab juice.
Okay. Hola, buenos días. Okay, so we just finished some grocery shopping for later, and we came to the caves, Gruto Los Herrera. So there's like some big caves with stalagmites and stalactites, and we're gonna go check it out. Temperature's dropping.
This is a Gollum's lair.
Yeah. Yeah.
very quiet.
You're using coral, like fossils.
Coral fossils.
Sí, desde aquí vamos a empezar a ver la formación del coral.
So this was all at the bottom of the sea.
You see the minerals and the salts that are left.
No sé, como ahorita en esta temporada de lluvia nos ha llovido muy poquito, tenemos muy poca humedad.
So
Ahorita es
it's
para que ya
pretty dry
estuviera-
because it didn't rain as much as other years.
Y ya después esta gruta fue descubierta en 1977
Was discovered in 1977
por dos norteamericanos.
by two American. Here you can see the coral like bigger.
Aquí con el brillo de todos los sales, los minerales.
And the things that glitter are just the salts and the minerals that have been there. So there's 6 like chambers, and we're in the second chamber.
entering the King's Chamber.
Y hacen recorridos con varios grupos.
So he says there's a team from the army that comes every year, and they go down there for 3 days.
Really?
And keep on exploring. They've done 1,000, like a kilometer
Wow.
going down.
Y aún así continúan, no le han encontrado
They,
fondo.
they haven't found the
The end.
Hasta dónde llega tanta el agua de las lluvias.
They are very curious to know where is the water going out.
Mm-hmm.
They haven't found the exit yet.
Okay. That was beautiful, eh? Julio was saying he's been here before, but this is the first time that there's been no tourists. It was all for ourselves, so it was a very nice experience. You could hear everything, every little drop of water.
Yeah. The altitude
Yeah.
make us so tired.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is now the top of a mountain, San Joaquin, but millions and millions of years ago, this was actually at the bottom of an ocean. A lot of time has to pass for the bed of an ocean to grow up into a mountain. Mind-boggling. The video footage really doesn't do it justice, though. It was really hard to film down there. You kind of gotta just come and experience it yourself.
Oh, she found something. What was it? Oh, worms.
Oh, yeah.
Calabaza. Oh, one big clove of garlic and one serrano and salt. Ooh. このお花もね、洗ってから潰します。これもcuéntale。本当になんか柔らかい紙粘土のちょっとウエット版って感じ。エパソテっていうハーブ入れてます。エパソテ。ちょっとね水分が多いんで水ちょっと捨てます。
What's going on, eh?
Puya.
Puya.
This is chile morita,
Morita.
chile de árbol.
This is the hottest.
This is the hottest. Don't forget to wash your hands after using this. Yeah, now if your comal is already very hot, you just move them a little bit and then you make sure you turn them around. You don't want them to burn.
all the roasted peanuts and peppers and garlic into the blender, some olive oil
The sesame seeds.
and sesame seed.
Okay. And then we're gonna put a little salt. In this case, I'm gonna use sea salt. And we're gonna put a little bit, and then we will try it, and then we'll see if it needs a bit more.
Mi veralla, Juli.
Riquísima la
No.
pasta, ¿eh?
Dice Rolando, oye, si te pasó eso.
De hecho, recetas que van aprendiendo por todo el mundo.
このお花がめっちゃいい味出しちゃう。美味しい。
Dile konnichiwa.
あ、こんにちは。こんにちは。
Tú dile konnichiwa también. Hola.
こんにちは。いや、エンパナーダめっちゃ美味しかったわ。なんかね、お花が、なんかちょっとした苦みがあって、ちょっと酸っぱくって、独特の味。でもね、大人の味っていうんかな。いや、めっちゃ美味しかった。で、あとなんか生地にね、バナナが入ってるから、ちょっと甘くって、で、なんかテクスチャーもなんかちょっと不思議で、めっちゃ美味しかった。はあ、メキシコファミリーいいな。